So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. I'm down here at the wood yard this morning cranking out some nice cherry firewood. So I had to take a break from the firewood because I have something to tell you that you need to know. Normally, I don't publish videos on Friday afternoon, but this is just too important not to share. Now, if you've been watching our channel for any time at all, I'm sure you've seen my truck before. It's a 23 F350 crew cab, 8-foot bed with the Power Stroke diesel. And if you've seen my truck, I'm sure you've seen my Diamondback bed cover. These things are incredible. So I think it's safe to assume that a large percentage of people that watch our channel own and drive a pickup truck. Unfortunately, not every one of them has a Diamondback bed cover. Well, I've got some good news. I have partnered with Diamondback, and I'm going to share a link with you, and all you've got to do is go to that link, enter a little bit of information, and you will have a chance to win a new Diamondback HD bed cover and $500 worth of accessories. Diamondback builds an incredible bed cover. Like I said, this is the HD right here. I've had this for about 2 years. It looks and operates exactly like the day that I got it. Anything that I put in the bed of this truck, it stays dry, dust-free, and safe. They got really nice locks on these bed covers. These are made in America, right in Pennsylvania. If you remember a while back, I did a video out there at their facility on how these were made, and I'm telling you, it was a smooth operation. That video is worth going back and watching if you want to. I'll put it up above here if you want to check it out. But yeah, it's an incredible operation. All the employees, I got to talk to everybody there. And one of my main takeaways from visiting their facility was just the atmosphere there, or the culture, I guess you could say. Everybody was happy, doing their thing, and it's just a great company. It really is. It was refreshing to see. Now I've got the headache rack on mine, as you can see. I keep a whole bunch of stuff in here. Extra chainsaw, tow ropes, straps, tools. I got a bunch of my DeWalt stuff back there in the back for when I go down to the cabin. But like I said, everything you put in here, it stays dry, dust-free, and safe. Now last year, we put this thing to the test. Melissa and I went on an elk hunt out in Colorado. And if you've ever been out there, it is dry and dusty. We were in southwest Colorado, and you get that fine red dust, you know? The only place I could find any of that red dust, I'll show you. Now this is sawdust from me running my saw on the tailgate here. But the only place I got just a little bit of that red dust on both sides, right here and over there. Now that stuff, it gets everywhere. I mean, it was in the glove compartment in my truck. Inside the cab, in the glove compartment, I had that red dust. And we drove on, I don't even know, probably 4 or 5 hours, probably more than that, of driving on dirt or gravel roads when we were out there. And everything that was in this bed stayed dust-free. The other thing I love about the HD, this holds, I think it's 1,600 pounds. Don't quote me on that, but I think it's 1,600 pounds. I have hauled pallets on here. I've hauled attachments on top of here. All the while, my tools and other things are inside the bed. It's like having a flatbed on top of your pickup truck. Plenty of tie downs on it. Heavy duty, legit bed cover. And I think that one of the most impressive things is, like I said, had this about 2 years. It looks and functions exactly like it did the day that I got it. You can't say that about most bed covers out there. But anyway, like I said, I'll put a link in the description and pin a comment as well. Just click on that link to enter to win your own Diamondback bed cover with $500 worth of accessories. Oh, one last thing I wanted to mention about these covers. You know, they're a solid product. I mean, it's pretty obvious. But you know what? They look fantastic too. This looks great on this truck. All you got to do is click on that link, enter a little bit of information, and you will be registered for your chance to win your own Diamondback bed cover. Anyway, hope you're having a great day, and we will catch you on the next one.